Hello, everybody, and welcome to our video, the second part on section 15E about the derivatives of exponential functions. So we finished off and we didn't get to talk about example 2. For example 2, we need to find the gradient function for f of x equal to e to the x over 2. So remember that to find the gradient function, that just means to find the derivative. Okay. For e to the x over 2, we take the derivative of e to the x over 2, which is our outside function. That's just e to the x over 2, and the derivative of x over 2, which is 1/2, and we simplify our function. Here, if we have e to the x plus e to the negative x over 2, the first thing I would do is rewrite this by splitting the numerator. So I would start by saying this is 1/2 e to the x plus 1/2 e to the negative x. Then I can apply my sum rule and take the derivative of 1/2 e to the x, which is just 1/2 times e to the x. And the derivative here, which is factoring out that 1/2 constant, the derivative of e to the negative x is e to the negative x, and then the derivative of negative x is -1. So we end up with 1/2 e to the x minus 1/2 e to the negative x. And we could combine those back together into a single fraction because they both have the same denominator. And the last thing we could be asked to do is to find the gradient of the tangent to this function at a particular value. So in other words, take the derivative of y and then evaluate it when x equals 0. Notice that we'll have to apply the chain rule here because we have a binomial function raised to an exponent. So I'm going to start by taking the derivative of the outside part, which is 4 times this base, and reduce the exponent by 1. So 4 times e to the x plus 2 cubed, and then the derivative of the inside, which is e to the x. Now I'm going to evaluate that function when x equals 0. That's what this straight line and x equals 0 notation implies. And I'm going to plug in 0 wherever I see x, which is not so bad because e to the 0 is equal to 1. So this is just going to be 4 times 1 plus 2 cubed times 1, which gives me 4 times 3 cubed, or 108. And that's the end of our lesson on section 15E. Thank you. Have a great day.